Hey guys, I'm Rose
And I'm Alice.
and together we're the Mutinda twins. So guys, welcome to our YouTube channel as the Mutinda twins, and trust you me, it's been hard. It's
Yes.
been a challenge, but finally we hope you guys will enjoy the content we are about to share with you guys. It's all about beauty, lifestyle,
Exactly.
how we fight,
Yeah,
how we don't. Guys, I hope you really enjoy our content.
Yes.
And we know you'll love it. Thank
That's
you.
for sure.
Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned. In this video, Rose and I are going to do a simple smoky eye with lippies from Untamed Beauty, which is a Kenyan brand and today's video sponsors. Yay! Already did our eyebrows and we prepped our eyelids off camera, but now we are gonna do a very subtle eyeshadow look using the Untamed Beauty palette, and we're gonna use the shades Bolas, Mayeng, Reverb, Turn Up, Rada, and Rada. You see what it tumeanza na the same eye. By the way. With the transition bolas, you just want to go all over your eyelid, and then you go with the next shade just under the bolas, the first transition shade, with a different brush that will show you guys. Still blending. Guess I'm ready for turn up. Me too. So turn up near uku from the outer corner of the eye.
Yeah.
And then you blend as you go inside.
Yeah.
Blending black eyeshadow is the hardest task it is. That's why orange can never be black, actually. Nishatadili kidogo hapo. Let's see if this makeup turns out the same.
Yeah.
That's the challenge, actually. Because you're using almost the same brushes, but the same products. Probably different techniques, and the concept is the same. So let's see if twins have the same makeup techniques. Yes. I like to bring my black a bit on the inner side. Yako unailetanga ndani? Now we just do it. Mpaka tu. can always go back to the transition colors and try to blend, because sometimes you just have to go back and forth. That's why it takes time, and makeup is about patience. You have to be really patient when you're blending, especially eyeshadow. Do you think? I think it's fine, but unaweza ibolden.
Okay.
Tulisema saa tu. Oh my goodness. It's just like the memes. You say subtle and then you just find yourself going all the way. Okay, let me stop there and try to intensify. So I'll pick Ndai as Mumbi does her turn up eyeshadow. And I'm just going to pat it on the inner part of my eyelids, my crease actually. When it comes to shimmer, you just want to pat, not drag, because it ends up messing your whole eye look when you drag. It looks patchy. And then at some point, I feel like I'll have to go in with my finger to pat the shimmer more, because the brushes are like losing the shades. Yeah, that works. Yeah, very much. Okay. Then I'll just go right to the brush to blend the two shades, the black and the shimmer. And guys, we made sure we washed our hands. Yeah, don't touch your face without washing your hands. And your eyes, so also take precaution. I think I'm also done with the eyes and the eyes. So guys, we're done with the eye look, as you can see, and the foundation, and we are looking bomb. So what's remaining is the lipsticks, and we're gonna show you step by step of how we do our lipsticks from nude to bold. And we'll also name the lipsticks from Untamed Beauty as we do them, so that you guys can be aware of what shades you'll be wearing during the process. So you just use Davis number 18 eye pencil to outline your lips, especially when you're doing nude lips, so that you don't go out looking like a clown. And since it's also, the lipsticks are matte lipsticks, you have to make sure your lips are moisturized like 5 minutes before you start wearing your lipstick, so that your lips don't crack. So yeah, this is how the lips should look like once you've outlined them with the pencil. I love my lips looking full, so I normally go my way out kidogo, but if you don't like your lips full, you can always go with
Just
your
follow
lip
your
line.
lip line.
Yeah. And just make sure you pat your lips together so that the lip pencil or lip liner can blend. This is what it should look like.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go in with Opulence from Untamed Beauty. She does the Opulence lipstick. I'll be doing the crown, and it's sort of a purplish kind of lavender color, so let's see how it turns out. Normally what I do, I just try to drain the brush so that I don't have excess lipstick on my mouth, so that it can be easy for me to blend. So I think that's a hack. Ooh,
girl. I love it. Love it.
So that's the crown by Untamed Beauty. And what I like about it already is that it already dried. It's not like so creamy that it takes long for it to dry, and that's an advantage for me when I'm in a hurry. And then it dries so comfortably on your lips, like it's not sticky.
Yeah, and it doesn't pull.
It's a nice matte lipstick.
Yeah.
Very comfortable. So yeah. So same procedure as before. Make sure your applicator is kind of not really
Soaked in the lippy.
soaked in, yes.
And I'm going to use the lippy Climax.
And I'm gonna use Champers.
Let me see.
I'm currently using Prayer Warrior on her, and this is the last lippy of the collection, and it's kind of a bold purple lip color. Ooh, you guys, I'm not into bold lipsticks, but to be honest, I love these lippies. And good thing they dry quickly. They're not creamy, they're not sticky. I can lock my lips very comfortably. But the problem is when it comes to the nude lipsticks, it's very easy to remove from your lips. But the bold ones are really hard to wipe them off from your lips. So I think what's advisable is that you use oil, a Vaseline, or a lip gloss to just apply kwanza, and then maybe use a wipe to wipe it off.
Or micellar water.
And makeup remover.
Also, the bold lip is thin your lips because you can remove them, and due to the struggle of removing, so you find that the color is still there, so your lips remain thin with the color.
Irritable, actually.
Has it?
Bold. You're a prayer warrior.
We are the prayer warriors.
So guys, this is the final look. The hair, the smoky eye, the content, the lippies.
Yes.
I hope you guys liked the video, and please subscribe, comment, and share, and see you in the next video, loves. Mwah.